Resetting your Hostinger domain involves returning it to its initial setup or clearing configurations to start fresh. This can be useful if you made significant changes to your domain settings and need a clean slate. Here's how to reset a Hostinger domain. Access your Hostinger account. Log into your Hostinger account. Navigate to the H panel. Locate Domain Management. From the dashboard, select Domains or go to Hosting, Manage for the domain you want to reset. Click on the specific domain you want to reset. Reset domain settings. If you want to reset DNS records, go to the DNS Zone Editor and click Reset DNS. This will restore the default DNS settings. For email or subdomains, delete the existing configurations and recreate them as needed. Clear website files. If the domain is connected to a website, you can clear the files via File Manager or FTP. Alternatively, reset the hosting plan in the Hosting section. Reconfigure the domain. After resetting, set up DNS, SSL, or other integrations based on your requirements.